Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn your YouTube videos comments on or off. Right, so that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now as you can see, I have this YouTube video that I just uploaded. So if you scroll down, you will see the comments are turned on. You can be able to comment. So let's say you want to turn them off. Right, for you to do that, just access your YouTube video. So this is my YouTube studio right here. So this is the home page. So now I want you to find the video that you want to turn your comments off. So click on content, and then now I want you to find, this is the video right here, how to update the LinkedIn. So I want you to click on this, click on details to open up its detail. Right, and then now you have your video details. Make sure you are on details. So now I want you to scroll down. Let's scroll down and then come to show more. Click on show more. Right, and then let me scroll down again. Scroll down, down until you reach at the bottom. Here you have comments and rating. Right, so you have to choose if you how you want to show comments. As you can see, I set mine to hold potential. So now you can disable. If you want to turn them off, you can disable comments and then set them to disable, and then now click on save. Right, as you can see, change save. So now let's go back to this video and then refresh and see if the comments are actually turned off. As you can see, they are still on. So let's refresh and see. So let me just pause this so that we don't have to. And then once you scroll down, as you can see, comments are turned off. Right, so you set them off. Now if you want to turn them on, you can do it, just make sure, I'm just going to set them to hold inappropriate and then click on save. Right, or you can allow all comments if you want to. It definitely just up to you, but for me I like to hold inappropriate comments and then review them. Right, so and then once you do that, and then come back here and refresh.
Hello guys, welcome to another
Just pause and then scroll down. Now as you can see, your comments, you can be able to comment on that. So yeah, that's it. That's how you should be able to turn your comments off or on your YouTube video. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. Now if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.